Well, after many years, iReader has finally joined the rest of the community and putting their device in English. This is the brand new iReader 2022 December called the iReader Smart Air. It is an all-new unit, and aside from any other feature it has, the most interesting and standout thing is that this unit and all their previous units will get over-the-air updates to be in English. And this one, out of the box, has a language selection settings. This is the front of the box. Now, because this is a review sample, it is going to be open. Yours will be sealed when you start purchasing these. This opens up a big section for iReader. This is huge because they got a lot of units in their lineup, and their new box is just beautiful. It says the value of reading is everywhere, and when you look at the side here, you have this little diary journal kind of clasp. It's not real, it's just painted on there, but it's painted in such a way where this is gloss and the rest of the box is matte, so that's really nice. It says the value of reading, that's all in English too. The side is in English, and why we're stressing that and we're repeating that is because iReader has been the last man standing for a long time. They refuse to do any other languages on their units, but now they have. So let's look at the unit itself in a second. We're going to look at the rest of the box first. So you'll have documentation and all that fun stuff in your box, but it looks like you get USB-C and an iReader pen. Is this the 3rd Gen SE? Yeah, so it's the one without an eraser, but it is still a very nice lightweight aluminum pen with the standard tips on the side, so that's really cool. Let's look at the unit. This is very exciting, everyone. Yes, they have gone with the remarkable style offset ledger, but that just makes sense because you hold it like this. If that wasn't there, you'd hold it like that. There'd be so little bezel for you to actually grab onto, it would fall out. So that's the necessity of the bezel. And yes, you can switch it the other way. Looks like the unit has a couple holes down below. It might be a hard reset and a microphone, USB-C, speaker on one side, and only one speaker. This side is flat, this side is flat, and the top has a power button. The back is a very nice kind of Kindle Touch kind of plastic. It's almost like a soft pile rubber. It's not very deep when you push it in, but it does have a little bit of bounce back. And this kind of material is so nicely matte that it doesn't leave any fingerprints. Look, it leaves no fingerprints, and it's kind of regenerative. If you think about it, you know, when you make a nail mark in something like a leather tabletop or like a couch or something, it starts to just kind of heal itself, and that's because you've really just pushed the material out of the way and it just kind of comes back. So it's regenerative in its own properties. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure if this... Okay, yeah, so it is a review sample in that it just kind of starts up. But let's check it out all the same. Go to settings. Oh, it's already in English. Okay, that's fantastic. Where is the actual English setting, just so we can see here? We have privacy, tools, general, and you have a bunch of things here. That's even the subsections are in English. This is fantastic. This definitely does bode well for them. We will find out how to change all the languages and everything after the fact, but this is, for now, the iReader Smart Air. This is everything that comes in the box with it. This is the brand new unit, and you will have additional OTA over-the-air updates for the Smart 3, the Ocean, the Lite 2 Pro. The entire line of iReader now has the ability to change languages, and this is unprecedented. We did not see this coming. We were talking to them for years, 4 years. We've been talking to iReader about finally putting English, and they did at the tail end of 2022, so now they get dropped into the top rankings for the end of the year. Everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Until the next one.